Welcome back, students. Now we solve exercise 11.1 and this exercise, complete exercise, is related to area of rectangle and area of the square. So we have already done study about the area, about the perimeter of rectangle and square in 6th class. If you want to learn again, so you may go, the link has been given in the description. You may take its introduction. So now we solve the question. Question number 1 is here. The length and the breadth of a rectangular piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. Find its area and the cost of the land if 1 square meter of the land cost 10,000. 1 square meter land is about cost of 10,000. So first we find out the area of this rectangular piece of land. So the area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So what is the length here? Length is 500 meter and breadth is 300 meter. Now we put the value, length 500 multiplied by 300. So we will get here answer 5 3 is 15, and so we get here 1,50,000 square meter. This is the square meter. In class 6th you write square meter. Now you will write square meter like this. So we have got here question 1 solution. Area of the rectangle piece of land is 1,50,000 square meter. So now we have to find out the cost of this complete area. Whenever it's given 1 square meter cost is 10,000. So solve question number 2. The cost of 1 square meter of the land is 10,000. So for the 1,50,000, the cost of 1,50,000 of the land, so multiply 1,50,000 multiply 10,000. So we will multiply this. So we will get here 1. So it will be 1,500,000,000 rupee. 1,500,000,000 rupee of the 1,50,000 square meter. You will write here square meter. So we will find out the cost of this complete area is 1,500,000,000 rupee. Question 2. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. Here is only given perimeter and we have to find out the area. So what are the question we have? We have to find the area, then we need the side of this square park, and side has not been given here. So perimeter of a square equal 4 multiplied by side. We know this formula. So perimeter of a square, perimeter has been given. Perimeter of this park 320 meter. Now side, we have to find out the side. So side equal perimeter of square divided by 4. So we will find out the meter. Perimeter of a square divided by 4. So we put the value 320 meter divided by 4, or you can also write this division by 4. Not if you want to in the formula, if you want to write the fraction format, so like this you can do, or otherwise you can do like this. So 4 8 ja 32 and it will be side equal 80 meter. Now we have side of this square park. Of this square park we have the side. So we will find out the area. Now find out the area of square. What is the formula? Area of a square is equal side multiply by side. Side multiply by side. So we have now side is equal to 80 meters. So we will put the value 80 multiply by 80. So we will get here 6400 square meter. This is the unit for area of the square. Every time whenever you find out the area of rectangle, area of triangle, area of square, you will have to write the unit in square. Square centimeter, square meter. So this is the answer for this question. Question 3. Find the breadth of a rectangular plot of land if its area is 440 square meter and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. So here area has been given and length has been given. Then we have to find out the breadth. So first we write the area of rectangle formula. It is length multiplied by breadth. Now area has been given 440 meter square meter, and length has been given 22 meters. We have to find out the breadth. So by this formula, breadth will be area of rectangle division by length. So we will put the value here, breadth equal area of rectangle 440 division by 22. So we will get here 20 meter. This is the breadth. Now we have to find out the perimeter of this rectangular plot of land also. So we will write the perimeter formula. Perimeter of the rectangle we all know 2 multiply by length plus breadth. So length is 22 meter and breadth we have find out here 20 meters. So 2 multiply by 22 plus 20. So we will get here 2 multiply by 42 and it will be 84 meter. Perimeter of rectangle is 84 meters. So this one and this one is answer. Breadth is 20 meter. Perimeter of rectangle is 84 meter. Question 4. The perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, then find its breadth. So we have given here perimeter of this rectangle sheet 100 centimeter and length is also has been given, and we have to find the breadth and also find the area. Area also we have to find. Now first we solve the perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiply by L plus breadth, length plus width. So we will write here length is 35 centimeter and perimeter is 100 centimeter. Now we put the value here. 100 equal 2 multiply by length is 35 plus b. Now solve. 2 multiply by 30. This is distributive law. So 2 multiply by 35, it will be 70 plus 2 multiply by b. Now here we have to find b value. Then we transpose the 70 to the left side. So 100 minus 70 equal 2b. Now it is 30 equal 2b. So b equal, now we divide both sides by 2. So 30 division by 2. It will be 15 meter. This is the breadth. Now we have find out the area of this rectangular sheet also. So we will write the formula for the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? Is length multiply by breadth. Length multiply by breadth. Now length is 35 centimeter and breadth we have find out here 15 meter. So put the value 35 multiply by 15. 15 5 is 75. 15 3 is 45 plus 7 5 2. And this is area. So it will be square meter. So what is the answer? Answer is breadth 15 meter and area 525 square meter. Question 5. The area of a square park is the same as of a rectangular park if the side of the square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangular park is 90 meter. Find the breadth of the rectangular. What have to given here? Area. Square park and rectangular park are same, and square park's side has been given and rectangular park length has been given, but we have to find out the breadth. Whenever we have only length has been given and breadth has been missing here, so we cannot find the area of rectangular park. So we will take the help of the square park area. These are equal. So side has been given this square park, so we can find out the area of a square park first. So we will solve the question. Area of the square park. Area of the square park equal side multiply by side, and side has been given here 60 meters. So we will put the value 60 multiply by 60. So we will get here 3600 square meter. This is the area of a square park. Now area of square park equal area of the rectangular park. Rectangular park. So what is the area? We have find out 3600 square meter. So this is also area of rectangular park. Now area of the rectangular park equal length multiply by breadth. You can also write area of the rectangle. You cannot write rectangular park, rectangle. Also you can write the only formula. So area of rectangle. Now 3600 square meter. This is length has been given 90 meter. 90 meter and area of this rectangle is 3600 square meter. Now put the value here. Area of the rectangle 3600 equal length multiply by breadth. So length is 90 multiply by breadth. Now this will be 3600 divided by 90 equal breadth. Or you can also write down breadth equal area of the rectangle divided by length also. You can write the formula breadth is equal to area of rectangle divided by length. So it will be 9 4 ja 36 and 1 0. So it is 40 meter breadth. This is answer. Breadth 40 meter of the rectangular park. This is the answer. Question 6. A wire is in the shape of rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter. Breadth is 22 centimeter. So like this is wire is in rectangle shape and length is 40 and breadth is 22. So if the same wire is revent in the shape of a square, if this complete wire will be revent here, square, means we can find out here perimeter. This is perimeter 40 centimeter, 22 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 22 centimeter. So we will find out the complete length of the wire, and this wire has to be covered in square area. So what will be the measures of each side? So this wire, like as in rectangle, it is length 40 centimeter and width is 22 centimeter. So if we covered this wire in a square shape, so they are asking what side of this wire. Like it's here is length 40. So what is the length of each side of the wire? So we will find out the perimeter, complete length of this wire. So perimeter solution. Perimeter of rectangle. Because wire is in rectangular shape and length and breadth has been given, so we will find out the complete length of the wire. So rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Now length equal 40 centimeter and breadth equal 22 centimeter. Now put the value equal 2 multiplied by 40 plus 22. So it will be 2 multiplied by 62. So it is 124 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle. This is perimeter of rectangle. Means complete wire length is 124 centimeter. Now this complete length of the wire will cover this square. So what will be the one side? Four sides are 124. Here it is starting from here 124. So side by side, four side has to be covered with this length. So we will find out the side. So side equal perimeter of square. Perimeter of square. We have to covered this complete length in square. So 4 multiplied by side. Now side has to be found. Perimeter of a square has been now find out. 124 equal 4 multiplied by side. So it is side equal 124 division by 4. So 4 3 ja 12, 4 1 ja 4. So it is side is equal to 31 centimeter. Now first answer we have find out measures of each side. Each side will be 31 centimeter, 31 centimeter, 31 centimeter, 31 centimeter. So it will be 124 centimeter perimeter this. Now they are asking now more. Also find which shape encloses more area. Means this shape has been bigger area or this square shape has bigger area. So we will find out the both areas, both rectangle and square area. So area of the rectangle. First we find out the area of the rectangle. Length multiplied by breadth. We will put the value. Length is 40 centimeter, breadth is 22 centimeter. So find out the 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8. This is centimeter, square centimeter. 880 square centimeter area of the rectangle we have find out. Now we also find out the area of the square. Area of the square, which has side by side, and side is equal to, we have find out 31 centimeters. So 31 multiplied by 31. So we will find out here 31 multiplied by 31, 961 square centimeter. Now find out which area has bigger. 880 is less than 961. So what is the answer? Also find which shape encloses more area. So square shape encloses more area. This is bigger, this is less. So answer is side we have find out 31 centimeter and square shape encloses more area than rectangle shape. So this is the answer. Question 7. The perimeter of rectangle is 130 centimeter. If the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter, find its length. Also find area of the rectangle. So we have to find out two things here, length and area of the rectangle. Perimeter has been given and one breadth has been given. So breadth is 30 centimeter and perimeter 130 centimeter. Formula is perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So we will put the value. Perimeter is 130 centimeter. 130 equal 2 multiplied by length. We have to find out. So we will use only L plus breadth. 30 centimeter. Now solve. 130 equal 2L plus 60. This is distributive law. Now 60 will be transposed to the left hand side. So 130 minus 60 equal 2L. So we will get here 70 equal 2L divided by 2 both sides. So we will get here 70 upon 2 equal L, and we will get L equal 2 3 ja 6, 2 5 ja 10. So 35 centimeter. Length is 35 centimeter. We get here length. Now we have to find area. So we have length and breadth also we have here. So we can find out the area of this rectangle. Area of the rectangle. Formula you all know. Rectangle equal length multiply by breadth. Now what is the breadth and length? Length equal 35 centimeter and breadth equal 30 centimeters. So put the value 35 multiply by 30. So multiply these square centimeter. Area always written in square centimeter. So first answer is this and the second answer is this. Length is 35 centimeter. Area of the rectangle is 1,050 square centimeter. Question 8. A door of length of 2 meter and breadth 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and the breadth is the wall of 3.6 meter. So we can see here this is the wall, this is door. Length is 2 meter and breadth is 1 meter. This is door and this is complete wall. Length is 4.5 meter and breadth is 3.6 meter. So we have to find the cost of whitewashing the wall. We have to whitewash. This wall has to be whitewashed. If the rate of whitewashing the wall is ₹20 per square meter, means this complete wall will be whitewashed and the rate per square meter is 20 rupee. So we have to find the area of this wall, but here door is also included and we have to ignore the door area and whitewash of the wall. So we will find out the area of the door and area of the wall. Then area of the door will be subtracted, avoided from the wall area. So area of the door rectangular, L multiply by V, length into width. So length of the door 2 meter and breadth of the door is 1 meter. So we will find out the area of the door. 2 multiply by 1 equal 2 square meter. This is the door area and you can see here door has been fitted in complete wall. So this is this length 4.5 meter, 4.5 meter. So this complete area will be find out and we will subtract the door area. Now we will find out the area of the rectangular wall. Rectangular wall. Again length multiply by breadth. Length of the wall is 4.5 meter and breadth is 3.6 meter. You have to write everything step by step and now put the value 4.5 multiply by 3.6. When you will multiply this, then you will get here 16.20 square meter. Now this complete area has been found out 16.20 square meter, but this 2 square meter is included in this complete area because door is included in wall area. So we will avoid because door has not to be whitewashed. Only wall has to be whitewashed. So we have to find that area. So the area of the door, area of the rectangle wall minus area of the door. Then it is area of the whitewash wall, whitewashing wall area. 16.20 minus 2 equal 14.20 square meter. Now this area is of the wall which has to be whitewashed. So per square meter rate is 20 rupee. So what is the rate for 14.20 square meter? Now 1 square meter, the cost of, we will write the cost of 1 square meter whitewash equal 20 rupee. So for cost of 14.2 square meter whitewash equal 14.20 multiplied by 20. So we will get here 284 after multiplying this value 0.00. This is rupee. So 284 rupee for 14.20 square meter. Once again, this complete area of the wall, we have to subtract the door area from the complete area of wall. Then we will get the whitewashing area of the wall. And per square meter is rate 20 rupee. Then it will be multiplied by this 14.20 square meter. Then you will get the 284 rupee for the whitewash.